You are chasing opportunities online. You want to make good money online. But how do you know which is even worth your time? Here are 3 signs, 3 red flags to avoid if you don't want to waste your time or money online. Sign number 1 that an opportunity is bad for you is if it focuses on trends and fads and is not built on a solid system. For example, now there is a lot of hype on crypto. The people who really make good money from crypto have a system. But if you just enter into the hype cycle, people talking about crypto, 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 without creating a system, you will lose money. Not because crypto doesn't work, but because you are working with people who don't have a system for making money with crypto. The same applies to drop shipping. But look at the things you need to avoid if you want to make good money online. Anything that promises you overnight wealth. They tell you, if you do this thing, it will make you so money within 24 hours, within 1 week, overnight. You just think about it. If that thing can make that money overnight, why haven't they called their own village people, their community, and they sit down? Is it not for them to be replicating it and just doing it for themselves? Everything that makes reasonable money takes effort and systems. If they tell you that you need to join now, while it is still hot, if too many people join this system, it will not work again. If many people come, when many people know about this thing, it will not work again. So join now that people don't know much about it. That's another sign you need to run. Why? Things that are built on solid foundations and solid processes and strategies, they work and they keep working. If they tell you join fast before it stops working, it means it's a fad. It's not a solid system. It's not a solid model. You must make sure you see a clear system that shows you a path to long-term revenue and also shows you a clear path in case you want to scale. So if you don't see a clear system and you don't see a solid structure that can support long-term profits, and you don't see a clear path in case you want to scale and grow bigger, that is not something you should get into. It is the wrong opportunity. Sign number 2, the second red flag that if you see you need to run away from an opportunity online is if it does not have a clear traffic strategy. If you are listening to them and they're telling you, find Facebook groups and begin to post, go to different Facebook groups and begin to post. When you post, you start getting people. Or they tell you, be DMing people, drop it on your WhatsApp, keep doing it on your status, keep doing that. That's not a real business. While you may get some results from it, those things are not something you can build a solid business on, that you can scale. If they don't give you a clear traffic map that helps you build leverage traffic, run. Because it means even if they have something you can do to get people, you have to be working all the time, doing a lot of work to just get trickles of traffic. You need to see a system that shows you the work you have to do. It might be a lot of work, but when you do it, you see leverage. You'll be getting traffic residually. Something builds, something compounds, that you can get to a time you take a break, you live for a month, you live for 2 months, and you'll still be getting what? Results, because the traffic stream will keep flowing. If an opportunity does not give you something like this, run. The third red flag you need to be aware of and run away from a program once you see it is if there's no clear proof that you can replicate it or other people have been replicating it. If it is only the guru or the course creator that is the one making money from that method, himself and his friends are the only ones making money from that process or from the system, run away. It is not an opportunity. It is a trap. If somebody wants you to invest in a program or in a training or in a course, even before you pay, the person should be able to explain how this thing will produce results for you. And it must make sense to you. If it doesn't make sense to you, go away from it. It might be genuine, but until it makes sense to you, don't invest your time and money into it. That applies to every program, including my own. If you don't understand what we're talking about in this program, don't come. Don't spend your money yet. Take time, watch my various videos on YouTube until you say, okay, I think I get how this thing is going to work for me. Because as awesome as any program is, it won't work for everybody. There's no single program that will work for everybody. So make sure it makes sense to you and you see a way you can also get results from the program before you invest into it. If you are tired of wasting time online and you want a solid strategy that will help you build solid income online, and you've been watching my videos and you believe I know what I'm talking about, I will encourage you to join our mentorship program, where I will take you by the hand from where you are and teach you step by step, day by day, until we get you from where you are to a minimum of $10,000 per month. We promise to make this happen within 24 months. Ah, yes, it's not overnight. No, we can't promise you what we have not achieved. Me, I don't know how to do it overnight, so I can't teach you how to do it overnight. So I can only teach you what I know. If you want us to take you from where you are to $10,000 per month, we will give you a guarantee of 24 months of working with us. But if you stay with us for those 24 months, you will get to $10,000 per month. So if you are interested in our mentorship program, click the link in the pinned comment or description below. The title is 10K dollars in 24. Click the link under it. But what if you don't have the time to go through a mentorship program, but you still want to build up a passive income digital asset? You want to be able to make $10,000 per month or even $20,000 per month or a much lower amount like $5,000, $1,000 or even $500. Is there anything you can do? Yes. We have a special program we call DFY-Passive Income Digital Assets, PIDA. If you're interested in us building everything up for you, check the pinned comment or description below and check for the link that comes with that title. Whether you click the link to join the mentorship program or our Done For You program, once you click the link, you'll be taken to a page where we'll ask you for your phone number, your email, and your name. When you provide those and click the submit button, check your email immediately within 5 minutes. You will get an email asking you to confirm your email address. Open that email and click the link within it to confirm your email address. If you don't confirm your email address, the conversation will die there. So once you confirm your email address, we will take you through about 3 other steps. You'll be sent an overview document in an email along with a link to an application form. Make sure you read the overview document. It gives you an understanding of what the program you have chosen is all about. And then click the link for the application form. It helps us gather information to make sure you are the right fit for us and we are the right fit for you. The final step is to book a call. Once our system determines that you are the right fit for any of our programs, you will get an email with a link to a page where you can book a call with me. It will give you different times. Pick the one that is most convenient for you. Once you book a call, you will get another email that will come with my personal phone number. You are not to call me. Just save the number so that when I call you, you will know it's not a random stranger calling you, but a call you booked for. Then when that time comes, I will call you and you can ask all the questions you have about the program you have elected to be part of. Once you're satisfied, you can then make payment and join the program. The ball is squarely in your court. It's up to you to change your financial life, and you can do so within 24 months. When we say change, we mean life transforming income. Think about it. $10,000 per month now, by our current exchange rate in Nigeria, is about 16 million naira per month. Think about what that would do for your family. Think about what that would do for your loved ones. Think about what that would do to your own personal vision and aspirations. The ball is firmly and squarely in your court. Click the right link now. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you and have a great life.